let's make a temple style tamarind rice. Sadam. That means tamarind rice. It's a beautiful combination of spices. From spiciness, from sourness, from sweetness. It's a beautiful combination. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We are making this recipe for 3 guests. 50 grams of tamarind soaked in 2 cups of water for 1 hour. Onto a pan, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 10 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urd dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, half teaspoon of fenugreek. Saute for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame, add sesame seed and 2 tablespoons of coconut. Combine well, cool it down and transfer to a blender and blend into fine powder and keep it aside. Onto a pan, 1/4 cup of sesame oil, half cup of peanuts and fry it and remove and set aside. Half cup of cashew nuts, fry until golden, set it aside. Onto the same pot, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of urd dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, dry red chilies 2, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, green chilies 4 slit, turmeric powder half teaspoon and saute for a minute. Add the tamarind water. Be soaked for 1 hour. 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of jaggery and let it simmer. Simmer on a high flame, stir in between until it will come to a thick sauce consistency. Give a swirl. Turn off the heat. How to cook rice? The recipe is there in my channel. Add 5 cups of cooked rice, half teaspoon of asafoetida, the fried cashew nuts, the fried peanuts, few curry leaves, the spice powder we made, and combine well. We are doing this process when the flame is off. Remember that always. You will get a fragrant temple style Puliyodharai rice or tamarind rice. The rice, the temple style rice, it's ready. You know already, right? It will be having a spiciness, sourness and a sweetness from the jaggery and a crisp touch from the peanut and the cashew nuts. A beautiful, fragrant, absolutely delicious rice. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.